The St. Lucia Diabetes and Hypertension Association, SLDHA, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, is hosting several activities in observance of Diabetes Awareness Month. Observed every November, the theme this year is Diabetes and Well-Being. Teddy Theebles, Vice President of the SLDHA, says this month the association is focusing on garnering support for the work that the association needs to do in country. Julian Alfred has agreed to be the patron of the St. Lucia Diabetes and Hypertension Association.
We are particularly concerned about the cases of diabetes, and you might be noticing that there has been virtually an increase in the number of facilities for renal services. And there are a lot of persons that have to actually go to the hospital on a daily basis to get, and all of that, in short, is to say that diabetes is with us. Diabetes is, in this country, is becoming more and more serious.
Visits to schools, free screenings and encouragement for St. Lucians to wear blue every Friday in November are among the activities listed for this month.
We're going to be visiting the schools, like Dr. Isaac said as well. So we'll be going out to these various schools and preaching the word and telling it all. And St. Lucia Moves has started that. We had a really nice session at Leon Hess, and it was very good. So we're looking at the schools, the media, and we're planning some other activities to have with our partners, our sponsors, our supporters. We're going to be having a mix. So that's when we're going to be really meeting with them. Jackie, we're going to be having that activity on the 23rd. So we're really looking at having that going. And we're going to be having free screenings as well at the association. So we encourage people to come in, have your pressure and sugar checked. It's November, it's free. So come in and have your pressure and sugar checked. Because remember, Dr. Isaac said, people right now living with diabetes and they have no idea, simply because they have not checked.
Dr. Jenny Isaac Louisi, District Medical Officer at the Ministry of Health, says that St. Lucia Moves will be undertaking free screening activities for the public at the SLDHA and Massey stores,
where both the public and those employed with the company can get screened, can get their blood pressure, their blood sugar checked. We can do check for risks of developing diabetes, hypertension, and obesity. We will also be providing health education at those activities. And so we encourage the public to come out, get screened. We encourage people to get active as well. We don't expect everybody to be able to join a gym and exercise for an hour and a half every day, but you need to do what you can do, small amounts, according to your age, according to your physical ability.
Massey Stores is a longtime sponsor of the SLDHA and donated $8,000 to the SLDHA to aid the association's efforts to assist, educate, raise awareness, and advocate for those with diabetes.
And not only through the support of the $8,000, but we want to continue that support throughout the month of November. As mentioned earlier, we will have screenings at our stores. We will also have our cash register or blue box donation drive from November 14th through to November 30th. We will also have our pharmacy special on Friday, in November, with 15% off on all prescriptions, and on the third and last Fridays of the month, we will be having our staff coming in to celebrate and bring awareness with their crazy socks for diabetes.
According to the 2022 Population and Housing Census report, diabetes and hypertension continue to rank as the most prevalent NCDs on the island, with diabetes being predominant in the enumeration districts of Castries and Gros Islet. For the DBS News World, Miriam Montoute reporting.